Thank you. I'm Attorney Dan Hynes, proud gun owner, and I oppose this bill. I would suggest that some people who are in favor of this bill might not actually have read the bill. It's called an act requiring background checks for all firearm sales. That's misleading. It's really a lie. This is an act requiring background checks for all firearm possessions. As was stated earlier, if I go to my friend's house and they're a lawful gun owner, they own a gun, I'm a lawful gun owner, I own a gun, we're shooting on their property, he wants to say, hey, I like that gun, maybe I want to buy that, let me shoot it. I hand him that gun, I'm now a felon if this bill passes. As a responsible gun owner, we would want people to target practice. This bill prevents law-abiding citizens from possessing a gun without getting a background check. Now, I guess I'm going to say to my friend, well, wait, before I get this gun, let's go get a background check for you, even though I know you have guns. And the way I was reading the bill is a background check is really for a person buying a gun, so I guess I have to pay a transfer fee and have the person pass a background check just to shoot my firearm on his property where I know he is lawfully able to do so. Does that sound like common sense? That sounds pretty asinine. People have suggested that what's the worst thing that could happen? I suggest to you that innocent people could really be hurt if this bill passes. If someone is a victim of domestic violence, and let's say it's 6 o'clock on a Sunday night, and their partner says to them, I'm going to kill you. And she goes to her neighbor and says, whoa, my intimate partner just threatened to kill me. The neighbor says, we'll call the cops. She calls the cops. Is the cop going to stay outside of her place all day? Or the neighbor who owns a firearm could say, let me be safe for the night. Here, take this firearm until you can get to court Monday, get that restraining order. This bill would have unintended consequences. And what harm could it have? Innocent people could be killed. And what else it can do is turn felons into law-abiding citizens. I suggest it greatly infringes on the right to possess firearms and will not do what people want it to do, which is keep people safe. If we want to keep people safer, we need to address mental health issues. Thank you.
Thank you for your testimony.